Today we're in Minocqua, Wisconsin. We're over by the Minocqua Reservoir, Kawaguesaga Landing. I think that's how you say it. We've got a dam down here, and there's a nice area here where people fish all over. There's line, there's lures, there's logs, there's all kinds of snags in here. I'm gonna go in here and clean this up. We've got the little board out there today, and we've got Zach over here.
What's up, guys?
There's 4 muskies right here. Look at that. Huh. 2 musky lures. I wonder how many more are in there. Line everywhere. There's strands of line everywhere in these logs. There's different colors of line and there's different types of line. There's braided, there's like monofilament line. I got 2 musky lures in there so far. Another musky lure. Sweet. Another musky lure. I got line in between my legs going down here. Someone's trying to get their lure out. Just got done diving on the
Kawaguesaga Dam.
Kawaguesaga Dam, and we got a lot of cool baits here, a lot of trash. Check it out. So today we got all of these musky lures out of there, swim baits, medusas or mad dogs or something. These ones like that. There, got a bunch of them in there. Some more lures down there. Got some glass out there, some plastic, a bunch of aluminum, some tin cans. Looks like someone lost their handy drill here. Piece of a saw handle there. Some metal, a bunch of other random stuff. We got some trash in a bag. Someone threw their computer tower out. Found this cone. Zach over there helped. I was diving right down in this area here, all around the rapids there. There's a bunch of logs and sticks in there. There's a bunch of stuff down in here, over there. Awesome dive. Saw a bunch of muskie down there, a bunch of bass, bluegill, and a carp. So pretty cool down there, lots of fish. Kawaguesaga.